cover-free, which is a great way to reduce evaporation and save a ton of water. Each bit of water that evaporates, there's a lot of energy loss in heat and energy spent to raise the heat and evaporation of water, from being heated up and everything. Long story short, this is a great way to save a lot of water, save money on your chemical use in your pools. This is a technology that creates a very, very tiny nanoscale barrier on the top of the water, and is actually quite effective, and it has been tested and approved and blah 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 by various entities. So I can't say that somewhere in the future, someday, things don't change, but at present it seems to be safe. It forms a single one molecule thick layer on the pool surface, and the surface tension keeps the cover in place, so when the water breaks it comes right back together and keeps that seal. And in tests that have done, it's actually as effective as a regular cover, perhaps even more effective. Now what you want is 4 ounces per 675 square feet. Now I figured out my pools are about 378 square feet and my spa is only about 60 square feet, and this is water surface area, and you want to add this each week. Now, so it looks like I'm 378 square feet, so I'm going to be roughly 2 ounces for my pool and less than, way less than that for each spa. So basically we can put a drop in the spa and 2 ounces in the pool. So yeah, anyway, cover free. Some pretty cool stuff. Again, it forms a molecule barrier on the surface. It's going to reduce chemical use, going to reduce evaporation, help save water, especially while we're in a drought here in California. So it's a good idea. Save a lot of money, save a lot of energy. Maybe a little more work for adding something but to the pool each week, but it's good, Thanks for watching Funky Nance. Yep, so doing the math on this, going to add 2 ounces per each pool and 0.2 ounces per spa once per week. Well, this bottle should last me some time. It's a good deal. Okay, and so just to put that into perspective, this is a Paint Sensations additive, a vanilla paint scent that you add to paint, which you add 1 ounce to a gallon of paint. But here on the side you can see our scale. So 2 ounces, that's how much of the cover free is going to take for my pools, and 0.2 ounces, it's going to be 1/5 of 1 ounce. So it's just going to be a very minuscule amount for each spa to keep it going. But yeah, it should save a lot of money, save evaporation, save chemical money use, and the labor involved there as well. So keeping the disinfectant in the pool, the chlorine in the pool, and keeping the pH swing from being a little bit less in theory. Seems like some pretty cool stuff.